Hey traders, it's Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hey, let's take a look at some Wednesday midday. What's trending today, maybe? This is Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. First thing I want to do is I want to remind everybody that on July 7th, one of our divisions, BYOB Day Trading, is having an open house. You are absolutely 100% invited, no strings attached. Check, look in our social media, or maybe check your email for, if you're receiving emails from us, for a link to register, and that's Monday, July 7th, 2022. John is cleaning house on the day trading. Even if you're not a day trader, it's worth looking at some of his strategies because they could absolutely be moved into swing trading. If you're a swing trader, okay? So look forward to seeing you there. All righty, now let's take a look at a few things here. Get rid of that. There we go. All right. Hey, big reminder, tomorrow's a half day, the 3rd of July. That's a half day. So keep that in mind. And then Friday, of course, is a market holiday. So keep that in mind. So there may be a long weekend. You know, you might not want to hold some positions. You might want to take profits, things like that. Also, keep in mind that July 9th is going to be kind of a tariff day, maybe, you know, up, down. Who knows? Who knows? Your guess is as good as mine. So keep that in mind while you're trading, all right? Okay, as far as the market goes, you can see the SPY is up. Absolutely fantastic. The bulls are in charge. There is no questions about that. Unfortunately, with trading, it could change overnight, and sometimes it can trade midday. But for right now, the bulls are totally in charge. Also, we've got ourselves on the SPY a golden cross down here, the 50 coming across the 200 period moving average. Now, please keep in mind that is not a surefire guaranteed bullish sign, but it's one thing we look for, okay? So we've been up several days. We've had a little bit of consolidation. Everything looks good. Take a look at T2123. This is my favorite. In fact, my only indicator outside of candlesticks, moving averages, and the trendicator, which is a moving average. That is still screaming bullish here on the hourly chart. And VXX is still bearish on the hourly chart as well. So there's no question in my mind that we're still bearish at this point, okay? All right, a few charts. I've got some charts that might want to take a look at, put them on your watch list, keep them sharp and pointed and ready to go come next week, maybe even now, who knows? We did close out some of our Apple, half of it, for I think, 36% profit, still holding half. Members were alerted when we bought it, and members were alerted when we closed half. So that's doing pretty good there. Take a look at SOUN. Whoops, let's get rid of that. SOUN, there we go. That is setting up very, very nice. Some might call that a doji continuation pattern. Some might call it a Fig Newton pattern. You both are correct. Let's not split hairs here. It's a beautiful chart. We did pick some of that up today. And once again, members were alerted through the app, and they will be alerted when we take profits or any updates on it, things like that. So right now, SOUN is looking very, very good. We're going to need to get through that, what is it? We'll call it 1150 area, 1155. And then maybe we can march right on up to the 1260 area, and then the 50% retracement right here. That's a beautiful spot, if you ask me, around that 1450. Another nice chart is GBTC. Nice little breakout here on GBTC. Nice breakout of that downtrend. A great rally, great consolidation, bounce off the 50, and now we're setting up beautiful right through here. And we've got this nice gap up. I know a lot of members, maybe some members are buying this one. I know some are, but IBIT, I know several members are buying that. I'm not in it yet, but they're buying that one. And that is acting absolutely fantastic. Target up here around that 50% retracement, around that 67 area is what I'd be looking for. AMAT. Take a look at AMAT. AMAT is fantastic. AMAT, by the way, if you're looking for a rounded bottom breakout to learn from, this would be a good one. From the 50 period moving average to the 200, all the way through here, back to the 200 till we broke out. That's a very nice rounded bottom breakout to study. And then we've got a nice breakout here bouncing off the T-line on AMAT. Let's take a look at that weekly chart. I'm going to draw some lines on that real quick. About right there, I guess. There we go. Go back to the daily. I just did the weekly so I could see more of the chart. Nothing to do with the weekly, analyzing it. So here's the weekly. You can see that we're over that 50% retracement right now. So as long as price can stay over that, the next target up there is going to be between 200, 205 on AMAT. All right. Hey, and the last one I have for you is Amazon is still trending. Amazon's looking good. We've hit our 220 target. Now we're looking at what is that? In the neighborhood of 232, and then we'll shoot for that 242 on there. Okay. So I hope that was helpful for the What's Trending Wednesday video under 7 minutes. So great. We'll look forward to seeing everybody. Thank you again for watching our video. Take care.